How to fix Monopoly Go, invite friends not working. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix Monopoly Go, invite friends not working. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Monopoly Go application and then close the application and reopen the application again and see if the issue was fixed or not. If not, the next fix for this issue is make sure you are using the latest version of the application. To check, open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Monopoly Go. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. See if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, the next fix for this issue is delete the app and reinstall the app again. To delete, go to your home screen and tap hold on the Monopoly Go application. You will see the remove app option, tap on that and then tap on the delete app option. In the pop-up that appears, tap on delete again and now go ahead and open App Store and reinstall the application again. Also, make sure you are using a proper working internet connection. And the last fix for this issue is to restart your device, as restarting the device helps in fixing majority of minor issues on your device. So, this is how you can fix Monopoly Go invite friends not working. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.